Here's the question that I'm going to answer today. I have Gmail for my office email. Now, I don't know if they're using gmail.com or Google Workspace, but it makes no difference in the context of this question. This person went on and said, I keep unsubscribing to spam, but I keep getting it anyway. How can I get rid of spam in Gmail? Well, let's break this down into a couple pieces. Unsubscribing. The only time you ever unsubscribe from anything, here's an example, Evernote. I can unsubscribe, and if we go over to the bottom of the message, there it is hidden, I can unsubscribe. I will only use the unsubscribe button if the email address looks pretty legit. This is really important. Don't unsubscribe from every message. Let me show you an example of one you would not ever unsubscribe from. Here's an email, a message I got from, not that one. Let's see, I got another one here. Here's one. This guy sent me an email from Shop My Derivatives. I don't know who this guy is. He wants me to unsubscribe. Now, it's being sent by a Lions Club. I don't know what that is. I'm not going to click on unsubscribe in a message that's in my spam. Period. Let me repeat. If any one of these messages has the ability for me to unsubscribe, I'm not going to click on it. The best way to manage spam that shows up in your spam folder is just to select them all and delete them all. Never respond to them. Don't even forward them to someone, and let alone ever unsubscribe from a message that's in spam. Now, again, Evernote's a legitimate company. It's a legitimate email address. Unsubscribe is legitimate. I'm going to unsubscribe from that if I no longer want their messages. All right, let's talk about spam for a minute. Now, there's two types of spam, and you got to be purposeful about keeping track of it. One flavor of spam, I looked at this message, and I could go up here and mark it as spam, but I can also go to the three dots, and I could report spam or report phishing. Reporting phishing is a whole nother level of reporting messages that are spam. These are people who are trying to defraud you, divulge information, get your password or bank account, etc., etc. This is a whole nother level. So do not report every spam message as phishing. Be very deliberate about that. But when you do mark a message as spam, if you do it up here, then look what happens. I can also block this sender. So I can take that email message, I can throw it over into spam, and I can also block the person, which also, what that means is all future messages from this email address will automatically go to my spam folder. Now, I can't stop them from coming in. That's not how Gmail is going to work until Gmail or the Google system discovers that person is violating the terms of services, and enough people report it, enough people report phishing, etc., then Google will shut them down. But you marking them as spam is not going to stop them from coming in. All you're going to be able to do is push them into your spam folder and get them out of your business, get them out of your inbox. And you can let it go to spam, and I look at spam once a day, and if I don't see anything in there I like, I hit the three dots and I delete forever, and they're gone. I don't spend a lot of time there. Bottom line, unsubscribing from legitimate emails that you get is a legitimate thing to do and generally works. Unsubscribing from email lists that you're on that do not look legitimate could be a waste of time. And lastly, I never unsubscribe from any message that's in my spam folder. Marking messages as spam will also allow you to block the user and send all future messages into spam. Marking messages that are legitimately or illegitimately trying to fish for data is important to do, but do that very intentionally, and do not do that with every message, because if Gmail thinks that you're just being lazy, it may stop or start ignoring your reporting. Unsubscribe and spam. Two different things, both equally important to pay attention to.